Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. This video is in collaboration with the Flower of the Month, and this is hosted by DIY Deanna, the Crafty Magnolia, and her co-host for this month is Angie from Tutu's Crafty Creations. If you haven't already, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. And the flower of the month is daisies or sweet pea or both together. So my plan is to do a project which has both. So this is the final reveal of my project. So I'm very excited to share this candle stand made with daisies. And like you saw the process, this is one of the candle holder. And to that candle stand, I just stuck one of the round mirror, and I just stuck daisies all around the mirror with some leaves. And I gave one of the sunflower bow for the candle stand, and also this is one of the electric candle, and I just circled it with one of the baker's twine, and that twine is going along with the colors of the project. So yeah, this is one of my beautiful candle stand from Daisies. So I'm very happy how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this. And this is one of the planter with the sweet peas, and this is one of the carton like you saw. This is one I painted, spray painted gold, and I stuck one of the farmhouse cotton lace ribbon around it, and I also twined the handles with twine. And these are my cranberry juice bottles, and I painted green paint, and I twined those gaps with the twine, and I also gave the lace ribbon in the top of the bottle, and I just stuck those beautiful sweet pea flowers. So these are the two projects that I wanted to do in celebration of April flower of the month, which is daisy and sweet pea. So yeah, I'm very happy how these turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this. Which one is your favorite, and you wanted to share any comments in the comment section? I appreciate that, and that will help me grow my channel. Like I always say, I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.